Hello everyone. In this topic, we will discuss about the real-time fruit detection using Yolo. So I am creating the report of the object detection converted into the fruit detection. So here is the installation requirement. You can check out making custom data sets. You also check out training new weights object. Also check out this method, how to run this program, and the results references. So installation guide, you can see which method is you can easily use. You can direct hit the link, open the requirements, custom object, then result. Okay, then detection the method, also references. Okay, first of all, install and the requirements. Then we use YOLO 3 object pretend. You also see the installation guide of the darknet. First of all, use this command, then this command, and make. If you user Mac user, yeah, or Windows user and Linux user, use sudo command. I'm already dependency install dependency all dependency sudo make. Okay, then you can test it yourself at dot slash dot net. You also see the result of the eagle. So let's our topic is the fruit detection. So then installation guide of the Linux Mint, so how to install OpenCV Python. So our objective is the tomato, orange, banana. So also you can on labeling yourself other, just like many projects you create yourself. So here is that new training bed. You can see YOLO 3 tinny. You can also use this, and you simply run this command and training yourself your own custom object. So here is the loss and gain last 0.86 here. So how to run our algorithm? You can start simple command and put the uh, main file, just like real time image, real time video. Okay, here is our references, where from get data and algorithms. Here is the .NET. You can see the customization of object. You also can see YOLO 3 framework, installation commands for etc. So here is our main source of link, where we upload this file. Okay, let's that start the topic. First of all, download your itself code. I am already have my document folder. Here you can see YouTube. I am already in my make terminal command. Then I am going to the basic direct cd. I am going to the my main directory document, cd YouTube, ls cd YOLO 3 object detector ls. Here is you can see the all files of YOLO. I am deleting output. You can see the output. Erase the output from here. You can see the first image. Okay, simply I am putting here command of running object. Okay, so test and image name. Here is the main source of the our directory is test. Here you can see the image name. You can simply put your image name. Here is your output. I am using string. So going to the result output, you can see the result. I have not any video of the objective. So here is the image detection. I am making a simple second video of the video analyzing, real-time video analyzing, or you can easily use test yourself. Uh, let's start download the one video of fruits. Simple. Here going to the YouTube link. YouTube link. Okay. Not YouTube link. Okay. It's fine. Mm, it's taking too much time. Okay. Here is the banana, orange, and you can see three objects: banana, orange, and tomato. Banana, orange. Why we cannot use the images directly? Why wasting our time in video file? So let's download tomato. I am using this link. Okay. I hope it's download image file. Okay. You can see I am putting here. Okay. Download.jpg. Go to the file and simply just run the command. Okay, let's see the output. Here you can see the result of the tomato. Uh, Go to the code and check the all attributes names. So let's start the code, review the code to output. Here is the app file. Okay, you can see the libraries and simple Yolo 3 algorithm. You can put here image, video, output. So here is our labels path and here is our weight path. So get all layered names is in here YOLO 3 objective. If object detect, then rectangle box name the assign the name tomato, banana, and so on. So here the prediction part, then assign the video, yeah, or images. Number of images convert into the video file. Number of frames convert into the. So putting their name is tomato, banana, and so on. I hope you can like it. Please subscribe our channel, support our channel for more information getting updates.